Hey everyone, I'm glad you came to see us today. We're going to saw this big old sugar maple log, about 24 inches maybe, on the small end. We're going to work it down to a few boards. As usual, we'll be using a Woodmiser double hard 747 band today because that's what we've got to saw with. You can see I cut that slab just a little thin. I ran out of wood before I ran out the end of the log. We'll try to do better next time. See, we did our clearance of path. We used the impact hammer to clear us the path down for the blade on this first cut on each side. The end of October, you may have noticed that most of the leaves have fallen off. It's really an awfully warm day for this late in the year, but it's been a scorcher of a summer, so maybe it's going to be a scorcher of a fall. Well, that's better. Looks like I got enough room on top to get a board out of that next flit. That's a clean pass for this next cut. I like that thing better than trying to chomp it off there with a hack. Pretty slow. It might be too much hook angle for a hardwood like hard maple. 747 is what we got. 747 is what we use. We'll just travel a little slower. made it halfway, if you're having any fun at all, how about hitting the like and subscribe button? I want to saw a few boards here before we unload the mill. I'm going to stick them on the back of the prowler so we can put them on a stack somewhere. These boards don't have the figure that's often associated with hard maple, but they're going to be nice clear boards. They'll make some pretty good cabinetry. Carol's going to help me stack these boards against her camp to edge them. This is the part that everybody hates, but there's an awful nice board there facing us. We'd be ashamed to dump it. Can't leave it in the slab and cut it into a firewood, but we'll take a little bit, but we'll get these done. Take too long to finish now. Got this thing down, looks like maybe 3 more inch boards in there, and we'll be done with the saw. We'll just have to get it stacked up somewhere. sure glad you came along with us today to saw this little maple into some really nice board. I hope you had fun, and I hope you'll come back and see us again. Thanks so much for watching.